that would be the area of the figure that this represents. That could be anything from that shape over there to the clock, to your desk, to somebody's head, to anything. My next example, I'm going to show you the area, how to find something that, like a cube or a box or something like that. 2, 0, 0, 1. Back up for a second. Okay. Okay. What this really could represent is pardon my graphing skills on 3 dimensions. This is a 3-dimensional graph. You have your Z, you have your X, you have your Y. The way I look at this, because it took me a long time to grasp how to look at a 3-dimensional graph, is I look at a corner. That's what it reminds me of. And if you look at a corner, you have depth, and you also have width, and you have height. Looking at it that way, because you have the corner that goes up to the ceiling, you have the length of the wall, and you have the what's behind the wall that makes it pop out or stay close. So, with the information we already found out, we found out that Z equals 3 right here, 3 minus 0. So what you would do then is you would go up here on your Z and you would go 3. And you would make a dot somewhere out here. And then we found that X is 0. So, yeah, 0 times 1. 0, or we found that X was 1. So we've got in here on X. Put a spot at 1. And Y was 3 too, so we'll draw 1, and we put a spot somewhere down here on 3. And then you just kind of map it out in a, well, you know it has to be 9, the area of it has to be 9, so you know that you have the opposite on the same side of the graph, so you have a 3 over here also, and you just kind of supposed to look like a cube, but my graphing skills are very bad with 3-dimensional graphs. But when you graph this on a 3-dimensional graph, it looks like a cube. So, that's that. But, that's basically it. I'm sorry if I bored y'all to death and y'all didn't understand. But, calculus isn't that bad. I recommend everybody to take it and at least try it, because I'm pretty sure you'll love it. Calculus can bring apart the answers to the questions that high school teachers never answered about why things are useful and what, in high school, how am I ever going to use this in life? Calculus brings the answers to those questions, whether it's Cal 1, 2, 3, or 4. These questions I get these questions answered every day. Like the other day in DE, we were using the quadratic formula for something, and it had a purpose, and it was important. It wasn't just for finding out the factors of 2 squares or whatever. It's very interesting, and I recommend that anybody that is good at math and likes math to go try it. It'd be well worth your time, and I think you would enjoy it. So thank y'all for having me, and I'm sorry if I bored y'all, but good luck on your exams next week, and thank you.